Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Honda NX500 motorcycle. The Honda NX500 is a remarkable adventure motorcycle designed for riders who seek a balance of performance, comfort, and versatility. This motorcycle embodies Honda's commitment to innovation, engineering excellence, and rider satisfaction. With its robust design, advanced technology, and dynamic capabilities, the NX500 stands out as a top-tier option in the adventure touring category. Built with precision and passion, this motorcycle is engineered to tackle both urban roads and rugged terrains with ease, making it an excellent choice for riders who crave adventure and reliability. Honda has integrated cutting-edge features that enhance the overall riding experience, ensuring that the NX500 remains a preferred choice for motorcyclists worldwide. At the heart of the Honda NX500 is a powerful and efficient parallel twin engine, delivering impressive performance across various riding conditions. The engine has been optimized for smooth power delivery, ensuring a responsive throttle and an exhilarating ride. Riders can expect a perfect balance of power and efficiency, making long-distance travel and off-road exploration seamless. The fuel injection system ensures optimal combustion, contributing to better fuel economy and reduced emissions. Honda's engineering expertise is evident in the NX500's ability to deliver strong torque in low and mid-range RPMs, making acceleration effortless and riding more enjoyable. The refined exhaust system enhances both performance and sound, giving the NX500 a distinctive presence on the road. Designed with aerodynamics and rider comfort in mind, the Honda NX500 boasts a sleek yet rugged exterior that reflects its adventure-ready nature. The aggressive front end, sharp lines, and well-sculpted bodywork give the motorcycle a commanding presence. The LED lighting system enhances visibility and adds a modern touch to the overall aesthetics. The windscreen is designed to reduce wind resistance and improve rider comfort during long rides. The seat is ergonomically designed to provide superior comfort, ensuring that riders can cover long distances without experiencing fatigue. The well-positioned handlebars and footpegs contribute to a natural riding posture, enhancing overall control and maneuverability. The chassis of the NX500 is engineered for stability and durability, providing a solid foundation for both on-road and off-road adventures. The lightweight yet sturdy frame contributes to agile handling, making it easy to navigate through various terrains. The advanced suspension system absorbs shocks efficiently, offering a smooth ride even on rough surfaces. The high ground clearance allows riders to tackle obstacles with confidence, while the long travel suspension ensures enhanced stability and comfort. Whether cruising on highways or exploring off-road trails, the NX500 suspension system adapts to different riding conditions effortlessly. Equipped with a state-of-the-art digital instrument cluster, the Honda NX500 provides riders with all the essential information at a glance. The high-resolution display offers clear visibility in all lighting conditions, ensuring that speed, fuel level, gear position, and other vital data are easily accessible. The intuitive interface enhances usability, allowing riders to stay informed without distractions. The integration of smart connectivity features enables riders to sync their devices for navigation, notifications, and entertainment. Honda's commitment to innovation is reflected in the seamless integration of technology, enhancing convenience and overall riding pleasure. Braking performance is a crucial aspect of any adventure motorcycle, and the Honda NX500 excels in this area. The advanced braking system, featuring dual-disc front brakes and a single-disc rear brake, ensures precise stopping power. The inclusion of ABS enhances safety by preventing wheel lockup during sudden braking, providing riders with confidence in various conditions. The braking system is designed to offer progressive and responsive performance, ensuring controlled deceleration and enhanced rider safety. Whether riding in urban traffic or on slippery terrains, the NX500's braking system delivers reliable performance. Tires play a significant role in a motorcycle's performance, and the Honda NX500 is equipped with high-quality tires designed for optimal grip and durability. The dual sport tires provide excellent traction on both paved roads and off-road trails, ensuring stability and control. The tread pattern is designed to disperse water efficiently, enhancing grip on wet surfaces. The durable construction of the tires contributes to longevity, making them ideal for long-distance touring and adventurous rides. The wheel design complements the overall aesthetics of the motorcycle while ensuring strength and resilience. Fuel efficiency is a key consideration for adventure riders, and the Honda NX500 is engineered to deliver impressive mileage. The fuel tank capacity allows for extended riding range, reducing the need for frequent refueling stops. The efficient engine design and advanced fuel management system contribute to optimal fuel consumption, making the NX500 an economical choice for riders who enjoy long journeys. Honda's commitment to sustainability is evident in the NX500's eco-friendly engine, which meets stringent emission standards without compromising performance. Comfort and convenience are integral to the Honda NX500's design, ensuring that riders can enjoy every journey without discomfort. The well-padded seat provides excellent support, while the spacious pillion seat ensures passenger comfort. The ergonomic handlebar design reduces strain on the wrists and shoulders, making long rides more enjoyable. The inclusion of ample storage options allows riders to carry essential gear with ease, making the NX500 a practical choice for touring and commuting. The strategically placed footpegs and controls contribute to a relaxed riding posture, reducing fatigue during extended rides. Safety features are a top priority for Honda, and the NX500 is equipped with a range of advanced safety technologies. The robust frame and crash protection elements enhance rider safety in the event of an impact. The high-visibility LED lighting system ensures that the motorcycle remains visible to other road users, reducing the risk of accidents. The integration of traction control enhances stability on slippery surfaces, preventing wheel spin and improving overall control. Honda's dedication to rider safety is evident in every aspect of the NX500's design, making it a reliable and secure choice for adventure enthusiasts. Maintenance and reliability are crucial factors for any motorcycle owner, and the Honda NX500 is designed for hassle-free ownership. The high-quality components and durable construction ensure long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance requirements. Honda's extensive service network and availability of genuine spare parts make servicing the NX500 convenient and cost-effective. The user-friendly design allows for easy access to key components, simplifying routine maintenance tasks. Honda's reputation for reliability is upheld by the NX500, ensuring that riders can enjoy years of trouble-free riding. The Honda NX500 is a versatile motorcycle that caters to a wide range of riders, from beginners to experienced adventurers. Its balanced performance, advanced technology, and rider-friendly features make it an ideal choice for those seeking a dependable and capable machine. Whether used for daily commuting, weekend getaways, or cross-country expeditions, the NX500 excels in every aspect. Honda's legacy of excellence is embodied in the NX500, making it a standout model in the adventure motorcycle segment. Customization options allow riders to personalize the Honda NX500 to suit their preferences. A wide range of accessories, including luggage systems, crash guards, heated grips, and auxiliary lighting, enables riders to enhance their riding experience. Honda's commitment to rider satisfaction extends to providing high-quality accessories that complement the NX500's capabilities. The ability to tailor the motorcycle to specific needs adds to its appeal, making it a highly adaptable and versatile choice. The Honda NX500 stands as a testament to Honda's expertise in motorcycle engineering and design. Its blend of power, comfort, safety, and technology ensures a premium riding experience. Whether navigating city streets, exploring remote trails, or embarking on long-distance journeys, the NX500 delivers performance and reliability. Honda's dedication to innovation and quality is evident in every detail, making the NX500 a motorcycle that riders can trust and enjoy for years to come. Adventure riding requires a motorcycle that can handle diverse challenges, and the Honda NX500 is built to exceed expectations. Its durable construction, advanced features, and rider-focused design make it a formidable companion for those who seek adventure. The NX500 embodies the spirit of exploration, encouraging riders to push boundaries and embrace the thrill of the open road. Honda has crafted a motorcycle that not only meets but exceeds the demands of modern riders, ensuring that every journey is an unforgettable experience. With a legacy rooted in performance and reliability, Honda continues to set new benchmarks in the motorcycle industry. The NX500 is a prime example of Honda's ability to blend cutting-edge technology with timeless design, creating a motorcycle that stands out in every aspect. Riders who choose the NX500 are investing in a machine that offers unparalleled performance, comfort, and dependability. The Honda NX500 is more than just a motorcycle, it is a gateway to endless adventures and unforgettable experiences. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any updates.